Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Christine. I am super excited and happy to finally be starting my YouTube channel where I can share with you guys a little bit of everything I love, from beauty related videos, makeup, hair, motherhood since I am a mom, vlogs, and just anything else in between. I would love to try, I would love to do. So for my first video, I decided to do this easy, flawless summer glam, being that it is summer where I live, and also I thought it would just be appropriate to start off my channel with a little bit of summer glam. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, just please keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to first start off putting Carmex all over my lips because it's pretty chappy. Next, I am going to go ahead and moisturize my face using my favorite moisturizer, and it's the Olay Complete Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen SPF 15, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna just go ahead and apply that all over my face. And next, I am going to go ahead and apply some Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and it looks like this. I actually got this from my oh, excuse me, one of my Ipsy Glam bag. I probably got it in my May glam bag. I can't remember. Sorry. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply this all over my face. And I do have smile lines right over here, and this will help fill those lines in, and also will help my makeup last longer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear foundation, and it looks like this. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with this foundation. I am in a shade 440 Natural Beige. Just gonna go ahead and shake this up. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this brush from BH Cosmetics and just apply this foundation all over my face like this. And I'm going to go ahead and take my little beauty sponge from Shop Miss A. I love this sponge so much. Okay. I know my face is looking ghostly right now, but don't worry, I will fix that in just a little bit with bronzer. Next, I am going to go in with my concealer, and my favorite concealer is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is what it looks like. I love this concealer so much. I have tried so many concealers in the past, and I feel like this is the best concealer I've ever tried. I like to use this to brighten up underneath my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender again and just apply this all over. So for my under eyes, I'm going to set it using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus in translucent, and it looks like this. I don't think I've really seen anyone use this powder before. I don't know, but I've been using it for a couple of months now and I've been loving it. I'll go ahead and just apply some of this powder underneath my eyes. I'm just going to let that sit for like a minute. I don't usually let it sit for a long time. And then I'm going to apply my all over face powder with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and it looks like this. And then after I set my face with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and just buff in the powder under my eyes. Next, I am going to apply some blush on my cheeks, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Count Me In, and this is what it looks like right there. What I love to use for my bronzer is the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer, and this is what it looks like. Sorry, it's kind of dirty. And that's what it looks like. I love this bronzer. And I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild brush. It looks like this. It's like a little contour brush, and that's what I use. And just put this on the hollows of my cheeks, just like that. See how it just instantly gives me that bronzed glow? I love this bronzer so much. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the LA Colors Show Being Illuminating Powder, and this is what it looks like. And this is in Gleaming Goddess. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little brush that I got from, where did I get this from? I can't remember where I got this from. Sorry. Apply that right here. Oh my gosh. After I do all of that, I like to set my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. And this is what it looks like. And the face, so it dries quicker. So next, I'm going to be doing my eyes. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow. I'm just going to do eyeliner and some nice lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and just curl my lashes. Alright, I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama and it looks like this. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Benefit Roller Liner. It's like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I applied my eyeliner, and I went ahead and also applied my false lashes. My false eyelashes, I am using the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection, and it looks like this. This is actually a different style than the one that I'm wearing right now. But this is the packaging that it comes in, and the style that I'm using is Teddy. And this is what they look like. Aren't they so beautiful? Like, oh my gosh. Next, I want to just coat my bottom lashes with a little bit of mascara. Next, for my lips, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Told Ya. So this is what it looks like. I love this shade for the summer. It's like corally. So yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love and appreciate if you give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more from me. And also, please leave me any suggestions in the comments down below on what videos you guys would like for me to do next. Again, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!